Can we talk a little bit about healthy eating, summer foods?
Yes, we can. So summer foods and fluid intake and all that do kind of come in together. So with healthy eating, talk to your renal dietitian, talk to your healthcare team. Talk to the people that if you're sharing in a dialysis clinic, you can talk to the people around you and talk about healthy eating. Healthy eating should be something that we're all paying attention to. That's not restricted to people along the kidney journey. Everybody should be looking at healthy eating. In the summer, we have so much option for food that is grown locally, food that is easily available in the summer. Things, like the tomatoes that might actually come from a garden rather than being shipped in from Mexico. Things like that. So you do need to be aware of your diet choices. You do need to be aware of the potassium level in the fresh fruits that you might be choosing to intake. Talk to the renal dietitian. See where your boundaries are. Talk to your dialysis team and just make sure that they're aware of, kind of changes in your dietary. Now you're suddenly eating a lot of fresh things out of your garden. So let them know that you're doing this just so that they can be aware of potential shifts in some of your things. If you're choosing to garden, that ties back to getting active and getting out there. So maybe you're choosing to grow your own vegetables, and that's part of your exercise routine and your healthy living routine. Also finding there's so many good sites out there, and the Wellness Hub is one of them, for getting recipes. So don't look at a box of fresh vegetables. Don't look at your garden and go, what do I do with that? You planted, it grew and it produced. There's so many ways to get good recommendations. The Wellness Hub is one of them, to get recipes, to exchange recipes with others. There's great cookbooks out there for people that are on the kidney journey to get great recipes for summer eating. And now might be the time to, it's nice to do cooler foods. Your suggestion from earlier on frozen grapes or frozen watermelon, to incorporate that as well in your fluid plans. So with your healthy eating, do remember your fluid balances, do remember your need for hydration and optimum hydration, and find recipes that let you enjoy the bounty of the harvest that is around us in the summer.
That's awesome. And the only other tip that I could add to that, Lois, is simply be really aware of barbecuing things until they're well done, making sure we don't get E. coli, which can cause kidney failure. Well, thank you again, Lois. That's a wealth of information, and it's lovely to have you join us.
Thanks, Teresa.